So this cost of difference means that difference in identity within universalist structures are erased, they're assimilated, they're compromised, they're standardized by universalist practices. Universalism does not necessarily make difference better. That is the general attitude of a universalist philosophy, right? That all the things that divide us into groups and particularities into individuals, right? That if we can just sort of, overcome them through universalist ideas, right, we will have a better humanity, a better individuality, a better society, right? That's the general attitude that universalism follows. So universalism does not, from the philosophy of difference perspective, universalism does not necessarily make difference better. It doesn't necessarily make individuals in society more free, equal, or autonomous, right? So that's generally the attitude of the ideology of universalism. But the philosophy of difference, right, this postmodern turn starts to question that. Rather than this sort of utopian idea of universalism, there can be a violence and destruction within universalism, which is unacknowledged and which actually undermines and can erase individuals, people, cultures in the name of things such as civilization, society, nationalism, globalism. This critique of universalism and modernity is expressed by Marx through the notion of class, by feminists through the idea of gender, by critical race theorists through the idea of race, and by transhumanists philosophies through the idea of sexuality. So up to this point in the class, we have seen classic universalist discourse in Locke and Smith, and we will see it again in Module 6.0 when we turn to science. And we've also seen classic differential discourse in the form of the 1619 Project, in the text of Du Bois, and of course in the text of Marx. So this differential aspect that we've already seen, we've seen largely through the ideas of race and class. In Module 5.0, we will view the argument of difference largely through the lens of gender and sexuality, or what is known generally as LGBTQIA.